The Calibrite ColorChecker video is one of those products that's incredibly simple to use, but gives you a surprisingly high level result. On one side, you have a neutral white balance target, completely free from pigments, so you can achieve genuinely accurate color rendition in camera. Whether you're filming people, or products, or multiple scenes that need to be able to intercut seamlessly. Then on the front, you've got large exposure chips, which make it really quick and easy to accurately expose on-screen talent, even in fast-moving shooting environments. You've also got dedicated high and low saturation chromaticity patches, alongside graduated tonal chips, which are incredibly useful for multi-camera matching, aligning your image to Rec. 709 standards and maintaining colour consistency across an entire production. If you're a colour perfectionist like me, then now is a great time to grab the Calibrite ColorChecker video with great savings this summer.